Mabuhay! I'm Ali J. Gabasa.
Mabuhay! I am Leo Bruce Scaffolds.
Mabuhay! I am Menard Gitando, and we are representing the University of San Agustin, Iloilo City of Love, Philippines.
We will be participating in the World Food Competition 2026 at Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata, India, City of Joy. I will be representing the Philippines in the fruit carving competition.
I will be representing the Philippines in the mixology competition.
I will be representing the Philippines in the culinary and cake icing competition. This will be a mega international event and the world's largest event where participants from different countries will be competing. It's gonna be a tough competition, but we are ready to show our skills in Guru Nanak IHM in the World Food International Competition 2026.